Snow starting to let up in the high country, but this is after a lot of snow and high winds have been hitting the mountains west of Denver. If you're driving in or out of the mountains, expect extreme winter driving through parts of the high country after Idaho Springs and Georgetown. Here just west of the Continental Divide, a good foot of snow here near the Eisenhower-Johnson tunnels. Ski areas reporting anywhere from 8 to 9 inches overnight. This is after 5 to 6 days of straight snow in the high country, with ski areas getting now over 2 feet of snow in the past 5 or 6 days. All of it means difficult driving in the mountains, especially when the wind kicks up and visibility is reduced. That can really slow your drive up, so take it easy in the high country. Backcountry avalanche conditions are also a bit of a problem. Heavy wet snow over the past several days, now combining with high winds, have wind loading in areas. That has CDOT very busy as they do mitigation work here at the Eisenhower-Johnson tunnels. In fact, this morning their mitigation work brought down a couple of small slides right here behind the tunnels here. The Johnson bore that runs eastbound actually took a little bit of an impact from some of that snow that they brought down. Shows how much snow has come down and what those avalanche conditions are like in the backcountry. CDOT will be busy over the next couple days working the high mountain passes from the Eisenhower-Johnson tunnels, Berthoud Pass, Loveland Pass, as they continue to do avalanche mitigation work. That might slow people down as they close the roads down to do some of that work. Reporting from the Eisenhower-Johnson tunnels, I'm Matt Renew, 9 News.